Hi guys, in this video, I'll be taking you through an overview on Samsung's Jet series stick vacuums, the Jet 70 Pet and the Jet 90 Pet, which gives you up to 60 minutes of clean time without the feeling of being rushed. Let's get right into it. At the heart of both models is the digital inverter motor, which gives you up to 200 watts of suction power on the Jet 90 and 150 watts on the Jet 70. The digital inverter motor ensures an optimized airflow to give you an effective clean. What goes hand in hand with a powerful motor is Samsung's Jet Cyclone design. With its 27 air inlets, both the Jet 90 and the Jet 70 creates an optimal air path, which minimizes loss of suction, as well as separating fine dust from the air. Jet Cyclone uses a 5-layer filtration system, which includes the microfilter, which traps the really fine dust and reduces allergens. Next, you'll be able to make sure that your stick vac is working optimally with an integrated digital display on both models, such as power level or the brush type. It'll also notify you if there's any brush problems or any blockages. And my favorite part is that you don't have to hold down any buttons while you clean. The Jet 70 can run up to 40 minutes on minimum and 20 minutes on medium, which is actually sufficient enough for most daily users. And on the Jet 90, you can get up to 60 minutes on minimum and 30 minutes on medium. Speaking of running time, both vacuum cleaners feature a long-lasting removable battery, which holds 70% of its capacity after 5 years of use. You'll also have the option to purchase an extra battery to simply swap them out if you want to give your house that extra long clean. And remember to pick the right battery for your Jet stick vac, as the two aren't interchangeable between the models. The battery takes about 3.5 hours to charge from empty to full. Another key difference between the Jet 90 and the Jet 70 is the way you store them. The Jet 90 features the Z station. As you can see, it's essentially a freestanding dock, which you plug in the base plate that charges the battery when the stick vac is docked. Quick side note, only the Jet 90 has the telescopic pipe adjustment, which needs to be collapsed to the short setting before you put it on the dock. The base plate of the Z station has a slot for the removable battery, which allows you to charge 2 batteries at once. The Jet 70 features the 2-in-1 charging station, which you can wall mount to save space, or you can use it as a standalone charger. Lastly, both the Jet 90 and the Jet 70 comes with 2 motorized heads. The turbo action brush, which is attached right now, it is ideal for picking up fine dust from carpet and hardwood floor. The other one is the mini motorized tool, which is also ideal for picking up fine dust, but especially for pet hair from mattresses, beds, and furniture. With that said, let's have a look at the 2 optional motorized brushes. This is the soft action brush. Now, with its anti-static silver thread, if your house consists of mainly hardwood floor, this is the one for you. It will really pick up the fine dust effectively. The other one is a spinning sweeper. This essentially acts as a floor buffer using the reusable microfiber cloths, and it has the option to use the wet towels, which you can buy separately. In summary, the Jet stick vac range is a great alternative to the traditional corded vacs. They're powerful, easy to maintain, and of course, easy to use. I hope you find this video useful, and thank you for watching.